Hello again, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna make seafood pasta. And here we have shrimp. It's already cut into small pieces. Shrimp, you know, jumbo shrimp. You peel it and then devein it and then cut to small pieces. And it's a scallop, sliced into small slices. And this is lobster right here, lobster tail right there, cut into small pieces. Okay, that's a shrimp, that's a scallop, that's a lobster. Okay, now start cooking. Okay, now stir fry the mushroom. This is a canned mushroom. It's already sliced and everything else from a can. It's right there. Bought it from Aldi. So Happy Harvest mushroom. Alright. Saute a little bit on the frying pan here. Or the right here there's a linguine. So the linguine pasta right there from Aldi. Linguine pasta, you cook it. Not overcooked, just al dente. And just saute the mushroom. And yeah, I think just saute the mushroom a little bit until it's like it's turning caramelized a little bit. See a little brownness coming on. Linda's a really chef right here. We specialize in seafood pasta here. She usually makes the best. A 5-star. Linda's a little shy. She doesn't want to be on camera, but she's one of those seafood, you know, connoisseur here. Alright, the mushroom is all, she adds some more oil in there. She put mushroom to the side, it's already cooked. And now she kind of put the mushroom to the side and then, okay, now put in the shrimp. The cut up shrimp's already in there. Alright, the lobster and the scallops in. Just stir it. I guess with the seafood, they cook pretty quick. Alright, chili pepper, a little bit of chili pepper, a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit cayenne pepper. So taste as you go. Don't try to put overpower the ingredient in there. Taste as you go. You know, every one of us tastes differently, so. Okay, I guess the all the seafood are cooked, so dump into a bowl. Just make the sauce. Sell some chicken broth here. All right, this chicken broth you can buy from we bought it from Aldi store. Chicken broth right there, chicken broth. Now, oh, that's okay. Put in Alfredo sauce. Look like cream here. Alfredo sauce. Bertolli Alfredo sauce. Okay, put in about a can and a half of this. A bottle and a half. They come in a bottle. Right, simmer the sauce a little bit with the chicken broth. See the heat right here, put into medium, so just simmer a little bit. Yeah, Linda made this before. It's yummy. It's very good recipe here. It's simple. It's not that easy. I mean, it's not that hard to make. Simple, very easy recipe. Now she adds some more chili powder. It's optional if you don't like if you don't like spiciness. You add more cayenne pepper. Add some more garlic salt. What is that? That's the garlic powder. Add some garlic powder. That's onion powder. So all of that's go in there, but don't, you know, it's dependent on you. If you don't like the pepper, you don't like the spiciness, you don't have to add that. Probably just salt and pepper will do. Now the sauce is start to thicken up now. Alright, she adds some dry parsley. That's the parsley, dry parsley. Alright, for some flavor, Linda's is gonna put some granulated chicken flavor soup base mix. So it look like this right here. We use it all the time when we do some cooking. It's kind of gives add some flavor, some or you can. We just sometimes it come in a cube called chicken bouillon. So just add some flavor to it. You don't have to put it in. So it's optional. The Alfredo sauce is already alright. Do some tasting a little bit. You should taste the sauce. If it doesn't, you know, if it needs some salt or some. Now she adds some sugar in it. Maybe need some sugar. So just a little bit. Well, turn the heat down now instead of medium because you don't want to burn the sauce, the Alfredo sauce here. Just let it simmer, and now do some tasting again. See what you need to put in there. All right, now put in the all the cooked seafood back in. All right, the seafood is in. Yeah, stir it a little bit. Alright, now she turned the heat back on to medium. Taste it again, see if you need any more. The best way to cook this is just to taste as you go. You know, if you need any more, it'll look yummy already. And then, like the sauce is really thickening up now. Yeah, make sure keep your heat to around medium or low because you don't want to burn the bottom because you just want to make sure that when you pour the seafood in there, make sure just absorbing the sauce, the Alfredo sauce there for a little bit. All right, the cooked linguine gonna go in next. Right here, you gotta. Remember, don't overcook your linguine. Just like it's about al dente, and then let it cook in there for. Okay. All right. Yeah, try to mix the linguine in there, really to absorb all that juice in there, all that Alfredo sauce, all that seafood. This is one of the best, you can make this really nice and really tasty. Alright, almost done, Linda? Yeah, this is almost done now. We're gonna plate it up pretty soon. This is yummy, 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 yummy. Alright, it's cooked. We're gonna plate it up. Alright, this is the final products. Seafood pasta right here. So we got here is canned mushroom, linguine pasta, some lobster tails, some shrimp, and scallop right here, scallop right there. But put in some cilantro on the top. This is a seafood pasta. So you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the like button and hit the bell icon so that any new video, every time we make new video, you got the notification right away. Let's taste a little bit then. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to help out the channel. It's good. Really good. Linda, you outdid yourself again, Linda.
Thanks.
She cooked so many times in the house here, but I never got to film her cook. She's a good cook. Thank you again. Thumbs up.
Thank you.
Nice.
Shaka.